So the third method of static surveying is reoccupation. Okay, similar to standard kinematic procedures. So kinematic procedure is nothing but moving the receivers. Okay, the method is another method of GPS surveying technique other than static surveying. So here in kinematic surveying, rovers are moving. Okay, they are in continuous motion, hence it is known as kinematic surveying. So we will deal with it in detail in the next videos. Okay, so reoccupation. So similar to kinematic procedures and static procedures combined. So here in reoccupation, both static procedures and kinematic procedures are combined. Hence also called pseudo-kinetic and pseudo-static or intermittent static. And here the length of each session is short. For a given observation time, more sites are occupied than the conventional static. Okay, here for a given observation time, more sites are occupied. Reference stations track continuously on a non-point. Roving receivers spend a short period on each point. After 1 hour, each point is reoccupied for a short period of time, that is 1 to 10 minutes. So do you understand? So this method is known as reoccupation, right? So while I taught you the previous two methods, that is static method and rapid method, I used to say a word known as occupation. There comes a name occupation. Occupation means observation. So here this is the third method of static surveying, that is reoccupation. Reoccupation means taking observation twice. Okay, so that the accuracy will be high. We can check the accuracy of the previously taken data also. So we are taking observation twice, that is reoccupation. So here also on a non-point, a receiver is kept, which is known as reference receiver, and to the points whose coordinates need to be found out, we are placing other receivers known as roving receivers. We are moving this roving receivers from one point to another point. Okay, then after getting all the coordinates of the unknown points, we will repeat this procedure again. That is, we will take the observation again, and this method is known as reoccupation of static surveying. Okay, so it comes under static surveying. So this is the figure showing reoccupation. So here the triangle is known as the reference receiver, which is kept static during the entire observation, that is throughout the observation. And those small points, that yellow point, they are the roving receivers, a few minutes per point. So here that roving receiver will remain over those points only for a few minutes. Okay, then after 1 hour they will reoccupy it after 1 hour. So after ആ റോവിംഗ് റിസീവർ ഓരോ പോയിന്റിലും ഫ്യൂ മിനിറ്റ്സേ ഇരിക്കത്തുള്ളൂ, പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ കിട്ടും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് അടുത്ത പോയിന്റിലേക്ക് പോകും, അടുത്ത പോയിന്റിലേക്ക് വരും, പിന്നെ ആ തിരിച്ച് നമ്മൾ ആ ശരിക്കുമുള്ള പോയിന്റിലേക്ക് വീണ്ടും വരാനായിട്ട് എത്ര എടുക്കും? അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഒരു 1 അവറെങ്കിലും എടുക്കും. ഇതിൻ്റെ അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജസ് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, satellite constellation is less critical than in case of rapid static method. That is, satellite concentration means satellite group is less. Okay, results obtained with 4 satellites per site occupation. Ideal method when conditions are not suitable for rapid static method. Disadvantages: the user has to wait for at least 1 hour before reobserving. Okay, only after 1 hour we need to reobserve. So we have to wait 1 hour. Each point has to be visited twice. Okay, each